Good evening, everyone. My name is Rick Butler Jr. I'm with My Tech Manager, and this is one of my first recordings that I've done in a very, very long time. I hope everyone can hear me okay out there in the internet world. And I am going to be brief on this video. This is my intro video for a series of videos that I'm going to be bringing to you live. And some will be pre-recorded just because of my schedule. And I'm going to be talking about how to build a profitable website for your business, some of the tips, ideas, and things that are happening now that you need to be doing in order to rank organically, create your site, host the site, and then do all the things that are necessary so you can start getting some business off of your website. Whether you're a local business or international business, I think you're going to find value in what I have to offer over the next few weeks. And I'm going to do my very best to record at least 1 or 2 videos every week and bring you value. And I think you're going to find some of what I talk about to be very, very important to you. I'm going to use some tools that I use. Most of them I will not be a reseller or affiliate of, but if there are any, I will tell you. And I also want to let you know that I will be bringing you a lot of free resources. You can reach out to me on any of my social channels, including YouTube here, where this video will play. And also, I want to let you know that when you reach out to me, give me a day or so, and I'll try to be as responsive as I can, whichever means of communication you use to get in touch with me. But I hope you find this valuable. My background is in information technology, IT, mostly web. I've done all kinds of things since 1987. I've been building websites and applications. So there's a wealth of knowledge that I have over the years. I've kept up with a lot of the trends and programming languages, which I'm not going to bore you with all of that stuff. But I will bring you some value that you can create websites for your business. I'll tell you about resources that are available to you from myself, my company, and other resources that you can reach out to and use online. So I hope over the next few weeks you can find what I share with you to be valuable. And if you have any questions in the beginning or topics you want me to cover, please let me know, and I'll be happy to incorporate that and share what you all want to see. So until next time, I want to say thank you for watching this short clip, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good evening.